First, I cut half a kilogram of chicken into small pieces. Heat a little oil in a pan, add the chicken, and fry it until it changes color. Then add salt and 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, and cook for a few minutes. Next, add some sauces and fry the chicken for a little while. Once done, set the chicken aside. Now boil water in a pot, add salt and a little oil. Then add 2 packs of spaghetti. Cook the spaghetti until it is about 80% done. Drain and set it aside. In another pot, heat a little oil and add the chopped vegetables, carrots, green pepper, cabbage, and onions. Mix everything well. Add some sauces, salt, black pepper, chili flakes, and garlic powder. Cook and mix well. Now add the 80% cooked spaghetti and the chicken we prepared earlier. Mix everything together really well. And that's it! Our delicious, yummy chicken vegetable spaghetti is ready to serve.